Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Life Tarot. Uh, we are going to do a relationship reading. Okay. After the new moon is passed, the full moon. After the full moon, let's see what is happening in your relationship. Okay. Let's get a few cards. The Garden. Okay, so something is growing. Your relationship is growing. Okay, there is a distorted masculine here. Okay, chivalry and spiritual maturity. And the silver waterfall, distorted feminine, manifestation and abundance. Okay, so let's see what is going on here. Okay, seems like you both are maturing. Okay, there is the Garden card first here itself. Okay, so you both are maturing now. Okay, in this connection you both are growing spiritually, I feel. The silver waterfall also is talks about purifying yourself. Okay, it talks about you go under a walk under a waterfall and it purifies you, right. It's like clearing you, it's like cleaning you out. Okay, so feels like that there is a distorted masculine and the distorted feminine is also here. So if you were both in this connection, you were both having some conflicts going on, you were both having some if you felt that I feel like just fighting with each other probably. Okay, and you were both behaving so bad that you were both like in a distorted manner. Okay, but now your person, the masculine in the relationship is trying to be trying to be chivalrous. Okay, they want to come forward to you, they want to offer you an apology probably, or they want to come forward and bring you some gifts. Okay, they are trying to show you that they are maturing. Okay, they are growing, and looks like a spiritual universe is giving them signs about that they need to mature, they need to step up. Okay, otherwise they might lose you. Okay, probably that's what the universe is telling them. Okay, they have been told, they have been told to open their third eye. Okay, to get intuition, to use their intuition power, to understand what this connection is. Okay, and same thing with the distorted feminine. Probably they are doing some meditation and all manifestations and all that, and they are working on their own abundance. Okay, the feminine seems to be working on their own abundance. So both line, I feel like it's separate. The feminine seems to be working on their own abundance, and maybe that's why the universe is telling them, if you don't step up now, you will lose this feminine. Okay, so probably that is what's going on right now. I feel like both the connection is growing though. It's good. It's good. Good. That good sign here. I feel like okay, I feel like both parties are growing now. Okay, and it's a good thing. And it's a good thing that if you were having any problems, the feminine seems to be in before. If the feminine was like stuck on the masculine and wanting the masculine to change, but now the feminine has decided to change herself. Okay, she has decided to start working on herself. She has decided to work on her abundance and her future. Okay, and that's a very good positive sign, because when you start doing that, you pull back your energy from the masculine, right? And they understand it. The universe is pushing them, it's giving them a nudge, saying that, okay, look at her. You might lose her, so hold on to her. Okay, the universe is telling the masculine to hold on to her, to his feminine. Okay, the universe is giving them signs that if you don't take charge now, okay, if you don't step up, if you don't change, if the person has been behaving very badly to you, not showing their emotions, or not giving you the time, or any it can be anything. Okay, but now the feminine is coming into her power. Okay, feminine is realizing the power inside her, and she's working on herself, and that's really good. Okay, and that's bringing abundance for her, and she is complete in herself. She's trying to fulfill all her wishes by herself. She's trying to feel full and happy in herself. Okay, even if she's alone, she's happy. Okay, because she has everything inside her, everything is blooming inside her, around her. Okay, she doesn't need anyone else to fill her, and that is actually when the universe decides to give you the your masculine. That's when the universe decides to bring you together. Okay, to bring you two together. Okay, so right now I feel that you're both working separately on yourself, and it's a good thing. But your masculine is stepping up. Okay, they are coming into their power. I mean, sorry, they are stepping up and taking charge, and they are trying to show you how they feel. You probably get some call from them, message from them, or they will try to bring you a gift or something. Okay, let me just get a couple of messages from the moon oracle. Let's see what the full moon is bringing to you. Okay, again, I think it came up earlier also. It's everything is God's will. Okay, everything is working according to God's will and boundaries. Okay, looks like the feminine has kept boundaries, and that's why the masculine is now scared a little bit, probably. Okay, and wisdom, and acceptance is also here. Okay, be ready to accept the whatever comes to you. Okay, looks like something good will be coming, so be ready. Okay, just keep working on yourself though. Don't wait, keep waiting. Don't stay waiting for somebody. Just keep working on yourself and everything will be okay. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.